Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Vevor Cordless Mini Grinder kit. This is a pretty cool tool. It is like a little Dremel, but it's cordless, so that is a nice plus. Although it doesn't have quite the power that a Dremel would have, but that is because it's 4 volts and it's cordless. Has a USB charger, which is nice. Plug in right there, plug it into a computer or USB. Fits in the palm of your hand, pretty cool. So how do we use it? Well, it's very simple. On and off right there. If you want to know how to put in different attachments, they got this nice handy dandy kit. All kinds of attachments. You got sanding wheels, cutting wheels. There's a different size for bigger shafts. We have also the little wrench, which you'll need, especially to get the cutting wheel out after grinding, because it tends to tighten up a lot when you're using it. So let's just take this one. This is a little, looks like an aluminum oxide sharpening stone or grinding stone. You want to put that in. It's really very simple. This is cool because they have a lock button right there that allows you to lock this, and then you can turn to loosen. So that will come out, which allows you to put this in, but this is the wrong size. So you'll need to take this one all the way out and put this one in, and then you can set that in there, tighten that up, and you can use the wrench, and there we go. Now you can grind away. Adjust the speed. This would be the perfect tool for engraving, like for jewelry people or crafting who want to engrave. Nice and small, handheld, lightweight. Easy to use. I really like the fact that it's a push button lock. There's another video series that you can check out. It's on a die grinder that's up in this playlist here. That one didn't have a push button lock. It's 2 wrenches, so it's a little more cumbersome, but it has a lot more power. So if you're grinding something more, then you may want to check out that die grinder. But this is very, very straightforward, pretty simple. It's an easy tool to use. You might be wondering what that big thing is down here. This is another grinding tool. If you need to have a little shelter, this will screw right on, just like this, and then that would enable you to have your attachment there and grind with a little protection. So that's pretty nice right there, or drilling or something like that. Just another attachment that you can have. So very, very simple, easy to use product. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. If you run into any trouble, Vevor has excellent customer support. You can email customer service at vevor.com. They're very, very helpful, so feel free to check them out as well. Also, like I said, be sure to check out the unboxing video. That'll be in a card up here. And also, make sure to check out the review video to see what I think of this product. That'll also be in a card here. Those will both be on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. So I hope you liked this video. Do so by clicking on that like button below. In addition, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thank you.